If you're constantly on your knees at work, whether in construction, flooring, gardening, or maintenance, having the right knee pads is essential. Let's explore the top 5 knee pads on Amazon for maximum comfort and protection. First up is the NOCRY Professional Gel Knee Pads, a highly rated favorite among contractors and DIYers alike. These pads combine heavy-duty EVA foam with thick gel padding that hugs your knees without applying uncomfortable pressure. Designed to stay put, the NOCRY pads feature reinforced double-strap buckles that ensure a secure fit and eliminate the constant need for readjustment. The exterior cap is made from strong plastic that prevents sharp objects from penetrating while allowing smooth gliding over rough surfaces. These knee pads strike a perfect balance between comfort and safety, making them ideal for flooring, tile work, and long hours of kneeling. They're also lightweight enough for extended wear, meaning you can focus more on your work and less on your discomfort. Next, we have the REXBETI Heavy-Duty Gel Knee Pads. Designed for high-performance tasks in harsh environments, they feature a thick gel core surrounded by durable foam, padding to reduce joint strain over long periods. What sets REXBETI apart is its secure and comfortable fit, thanks to heavy-duty, non-slip adjustable straps that resist slipping, even during intense physical activity. These pads are built to handle rugged conditions. Whether you're roofing, doing carpentry, or pressure washing concrete, your knees remain well cushioned and protected. Users often praise them for their reliability and the peace of mind they bring during challenging jobs that involve a lot of movement on unforgiving surfaces. The third option is the CERDR Professional Knee Pads, which blend ergonomic design with solid performance. These knee pads come with a soft gel core and dense EVA foam padding for shock absorption and lasting comfort. Their heavy-duty polyshell resists abrasions and punctures, making them ideal for work environments where sharp debris or uneven flooring is common. Adjustable straps ensure a snug fit for different leg sizes without cutting into the skin or sliding down. These pads are a dependable option for those who switch between indoor and outdoor work environments and need consistent protection. They're particularly useful for electricians, painters, and home renovators who require flexibility and all-day comfort. Fourth on the list is the SELLSTROM Ultra Flex 3 KNEEPRO knee pads, a top-tier option for professionals who want maximum mobility and protection. Featuring a hard outer shell for rugged impact resistance and a soft cushion interior for comfort, these knee pads are engineered for demanding industrial tasks. The articulated hinge design allows for excellent freedom of movement, making it easier to kneel, walk, and stand without feeling restricted. The quick snap straps simplify putting them on or taking them off, which is a big time saver during fast-paced projects. These are ideal for framers, HVAC technicians, and anyone who frequently transitions between standing and kneeling positions. Built for durability and designed with ergonomics in mind, these pads are made to perform under pressure. Finally, we have the Thunderbolt Heavy-Duty Gel Knee Pads, an all-around solution that combines premium materials with thoughtful design. The gel cushion core is surrounded by breathable foam padding to ensure both comfort and ventilation. These knee pads also include a non-slip, heavy-duty cap that stays stable on slippery or uneven surface. Whether you're a landscaper kneeling in the dirt or a tile setter working on smooth ceramic, Thunderbolt pads offer solid traction and support. The double adjustable straps with neoprene sleeves ensure a chafe-free experience, and the overall build quality gives you confidence in long-term durability. Many users mention that these are among the most comfortable pads they've worn, especially for multi-hour jobs on their knees. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more hands-on reviews and recommendations that help you get the most out of your gear, on the job or at home.